What if I told you that you could build a fully automated side hustle using AI and you do not need to write a single line of code to do it? I am not talking about theory. I am talking about real no-code AI builders that I personally use to multiply my income, and today I'm giving you all 5 of them completely free. Welcome to AISkillUp, where I break down the best AI tools in simple tutorials anyone can follow. Subscribe right now because we drop new AI content every single week. Now, before we get into it, what exactly is a no-code AI builder? Simply put, it is a tool that lets you build apps, automations, and businesses using AI without writing any code whatsoever. Number 1 is Make.com, and this is honestly the most powerful no-code automation tool I have ever used. Make lets you connect any app to any other app and automate the entire workflow automatically. For example, you can automatically send new customer orders to a spreadsheet, send a WhatsApp message, and update your inventory, all at the same time without touching anything manually. I use Make to automate my entire content workflow. Every time I publish a new video, it automatically posts to Twitter, updates my Notion database, and sends an email to my subscribers. The free plan gives you 1,000 operations per month, which is more than enough to get started. Go to Make.com right now and start automating your business today, completely free. Number 2 is Bubble.io, and this one is specifically for anyone who has ever wanted to build their own app or software product but had absolutely no coding experience whatsoever. Bubble is a visual drag-and-drop app builder powered by AI. You can build fully functional web apps, marketplaces, SaaS products, and tools, all without writing a single line of code. People are literally building and selling Bubble apps for thousands of dollars. One person I know built a simple client management tool on Bubble and now charges businesses $200 per month to use it. The free plan lets you build and launch your first app completely free. Go to Bubble.io and start building your first app today. Your side hustle could literally start this weekend. Number 3 is Zapier, the most beginner-friendly automation tool on this entire list. If Make.com felt too advanced for you, then Zapier is your perfect starting point right now. You can use Zapier to automatically save email attachments to Google Drive, post new products to social media, send welcome emails to new customers, and so much more, all completely automatic. Zapier connects over 6,000 apps together and automates tasks between them automatically. Think of it as a digital assistant that does all your repetitive tasks while you sleep. The free plan gives you 100 tasks per month to get started. For most beginners starting a side hustle, that is more than enough to automate your most important tasks immediately. Number 4 is Glide, and this one blew my mind completely the first time I used it. Glide turns your Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheet into a fully working mobile app in minutes. Imagine having a spreadsheet of your products, customers, or services. Glide takes that data and automatically builds you a beautiful professional app that people can actually download and use. People are using Glide to build delivery apps, inventory management tools, booking systems, and client portals, all from a simple spreadsheet. No design skills needed, no coding needed. The free plan lets you build and publish your first app immediately. Go to glideapps.com right now and turn your spreadsheet into a real app today. It takes less than 10 minutes, I promise. And number 5 is VoiceFlow, the most exciting no-code AI builder on this entire list. VoiceFlow lets you build your own chatbot or AI assistant without writing any code at all. You can build AI chatbots for customer service, lead generation, appointment booking, and sales, then sell them to local businesses for hundreds or even thousands of dollars each. I personally know people making $3,000 to $5,000 per month just building and selling simple AI chatbots to restaurants, salons, and small businesses using VoiceFlow. No coding required at all. The free plan lets you build and deploy your first chatbot completely free. Go to voiceflow.com right now and start building your first AI chatbot today. This could be your most profitable skill in 2026. Make.com for automation, Bubble.io for building apps, Zapier for beginners, and VoiceFlow for building and selling AI chatbots. Every single one of these tools has a free plan you can start with today. No coding, no experience, no excuses. Your side hustle starts right now with these 5 powerful tools. Which of these 5 no-code AI builders are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below right now. I read and reply to every single comment personally. If this video helped you, please smash that like button and subscribe to AISkillUp. We drop brand new AI tools and tutorials every single week. I will see you in the next one. Peace.